Hello and welcome to another free tutorial video brought to you by Be Your Own IT. This is going to be the first lesson in how to install content management systems like uh, WordPress, Joomla, and Drupal. The first step is installing a database, setting up a database. So what you need to do is log into your Cpanel. This is obviously using Cpanel. And under the database tab, you'll go to MySQL Databases. It's very easy to create a database. A content management system needs a database. Okay, so we can call it test. We're just going to call it whatever you want. Typically, I'd call it, whatever it is, Drupal, Joomla, WordPress, maybe put a few numbers after it. You create the database, and it's going to tell you right here, we've now created a database. This actually, BYOORG_test, is the name of the database. So when you're installing a content management system, it's going to have this prefix on it, and that is the actual name of the database. So take note of that. And then all you need to do is create a user that has access to that database. So we can add a user. Whoops. We need to go here and add a new user. Let's call him test. Create a password. So when you create a content management system, you create a user, you create a database, and then you create a user that has access to that database. So we'll create this test user, and I created a general password. And then you need to then give that user access. So you'll go to our test user and you find the database, let's say test, and we simply add it. Give them all privileges, make the changes. And now take note of this. This is your user. So you have, this is a user, and this is your test. In this particular case, they happen to be the same, but they won't always be the same. I use test for both. Now you can go ahead with your WordPress, Joomla, or Drupal, or whatever installation if you're doing vBulletin or whatever requires a MySQL database. That's everything you need to know. So that's how you create a database in Cpanel, and we hope this helps you out. And happy installing of WordPress, Drupal, or Joomla, and have a great night. If you have any questions, feel free to email us at support@beyourownit.com.